going to be left hand, overhand, right hand, underhand. So the context of this video is the side opposite left, 2 petal, horizontal, in spin, flower in same time, where the petals are at 9 and 3. Let's start with the Pilates. So once again, as we have done a gazillion times, earlobes over shoulders, over hips, over heels, knees soft, pelvis tucked, tight across your core, lifting through your rib cage, ensuring that your neck is elongated, so look up. And then for this particular move, because the left hand is an overhand, it's going to go back first, and the right hand is going to go to the front. And then we're going to swing around to this position where you open to the right, because the right's in the back. Yes. So then we'll come across the bottom, and the left will be behind, the right will be in front, then across the top, and the right will be the back, and the left will be in the front. So let's do 20 repetitions of this, starting from here. 5, 6, 7, go. Swing bottom and pedal, swing top, pedal, swing bottom, pedal, top, pedal, 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 and 9 over the top, and 10 over the top, and 11 over the top, and 12 over the top, 13, and 14, and 15, and 16, top, pedal, bottom, 17, top, pedal, bottom, 18, top, pedal, bottom, 19, and last one. Let's start with the left back here. Remember, your right arm would be here, so you would be opening your hip to the left side as you're looking forward, and resist the temptation to look over your shoulder at your left. Then you're going to come across the top with both arms. The left is going to come to the front, the right is going to go to the back, and then your hip is going to be open to the right side. Then we'll go across the bottom, and then we'll go across the top, and then we go across the bottom, and we go across the top, and we go across the bottom, and we go across the top, and across the bottom, and across the top, and we'll do 4 more sets to the front, and 3 more, and to the front, and 2 more, and to the front, and last set, and to the front. Now we'll do the right hand. So in this particular instance, what will happen is the right will go to the front first, and then it'll go to the back. So we'll start out like this, right, 2, 3, 4, over the top and back, and then to the front, and then over the top, and across the bottom to the front, and across the top to the back, and across the bottom to the front, and across the top to the back, and the bottom to the front, and the top to the back, and 4 more sets to the back, and 3 more sets to the back, and 2 more sets to the back, and last set to the back. 4 rotations in each position, and then we'll switch to the other position. So we'll start here, left and back, right and front, and then over the top, so left and front, right and back, and then across the bottom, and now over the top, and across the bottom, and over the top, and across the bottom, and across the top, and 4 more sets, then to the back, and now to the front 3 more times, and then to the back, and then to the front, and 2 more, and to the back, and then last time to the front, and last time to the back. Okay, so face me, grab your poi heads, and then face your palms toward the screen, toward me, towards the camera. And then what we're going to do is turn this way, but keep the arms, so we're keeping the arms isolated. And what's important about this is we don't want to do this. right? Notice there's rotation of my hand coming back. When you open the palm, just like you can see the massive shift in my upper body just with that rotation of the palm. So we want to practice being in this position on both sides and isolating the motion so that it's really coming from the core muscles down here. So we can ensure that we're actually using the Pilates motion to make the pivots or to make the rotations happen. So we're here, and then we're going to rotate to the other side, and then pivot back to the other side, and 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 pivot back, 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 and pivot, 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 pivot. Let's start again. Left is overhand, right is underhand. 5, 6, 7, 8, and T, 2, 3, 4, and switch. 5, 6, 7, 8 across the bottom. 2, 3, 4, and top. 6, 7, 8, and bottom. 2, 3, 4, and top. 6, 7, 8, and bottom. And go top, cross the bottom, and cross the top, and cross the bottom, and cross the top, cross the bottom, and cross the top, and cross the bottom, cross the top. Last two, cross the bottom, and cross the top, and cross the bottom, and cross the top. We've got the left over, the right under. The left one's going to go back first. The right one's going to go to the front first. It's going to happen at the same time. I'll count off 5, 6, 7, 8, and then we'll go. So 5, 6, 7, 8, and pedal over the top, pedal across the bottom, 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 pedal over the top, pedal across the bottom. Last one, and last one in the back.